Tricks for making the most of your camping experience. If you love the great outdoors, Mother Nature, and the smell of fresh air, nothing will please you more than a nice camping trip. But, there are some things you need to know about camping before going on your trip. This video will give you the best camping tips around. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Look for where you're going to set up your shelter before darkness falls. Once it is dark in the woods, pitching a tent can be next to impossible, finding firewood can be difficult, and preparing food hard. That is particularly true if you aren't used to the blackness of the wilderness. To ensure you get your campsite operational, arrive several hours before sunset. When going camping, you must make sure that you keep a list of all of the supplies that you plan to bring. You have to make sure you include everything that you will need on your trip. This is the best way to make sure that you don't forget something for your trip. Try to get to the campsite well before nightfall. This allows you to get a feel for the lay of the land and gives you the opportunity to set up camp while you can still see what you are doing. In addition, it lets your children feel a little more comfortable with their surroundings because they will have time to explore. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. Prior to leaving on your camping adventure, look at the weather forecast in the location you are going to be camping. There are several websites that will give you the weather forecast for the week. When you know what the weather will be like beforehand, you can plan more appropriately. In conclusion, going on a camping trip is for you, if you enjoy being outdoors. But, it's crucial that you are properly prepared for your trip if you want to have a good time. The tips this video has provided you with can be used to help you have the best camping trip ever. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.